Hi, I'm Ari from TallOrder, and we know there are many reasons why you might want to add a new staff member onto your point of sale. I'm going to show you how. You start with being on your TallOrder settings page. Click on Administrative Tools. Once you're in Administrative Tools, click on Add Staff. Fill in all the details of your staff member. Select the role that you want the staff member to be. So I'm selecting a waiter. Let's fill in some of the details. So you can later use this system for payroll purposes, shift management. Very importantly, ensure that you give your staff member a 4-digit PIN. They cannot log in if they do not have this PIN. Once you've filled in all the details, click Add Staff and they'll be added. Yes, add staff. And it's as easy as that. If you have any other further queries, contact our 24-hour support line. TallOrder, reinventing point of sale.